What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can add or how you can provide liquidity on Pancake swap on Binance Smart Chain. So let's just go to Pancake swap testnet. Let's hit enter. So we're just going to open this in a new tab. This is the Binance Smart Chain testnet. So we're going over to N. We're going to come to farm and liquidity. Okay. We're going to click on my position. As you can see, I have no position. But first, let's connect our wallet. Let's connect our MetaMask wallet. We're going to hit connect. So guys, as you can see, our wallet has been connected. Okay, let's click import tokens, right? So let's get this contract address. Tokens contract. So we're just going to copy this. We're going to copy this contract address. Let's try and expand this view. Expand view, perfect. So we're going to import token. We're going to put in the contract address that we just created. Let's go back. Okay, as you can see, it brought up the token symbol KST. We're going to hit import. As you can see guys, our token has been imported to our MetaMask, and you can see this is 10 million. So we're going to provide liquidity right now. So we're going to hit add liquidity. So this is the version 3 liquidity pool of Pancake swap. So it's going to be BNB, and we're going to put in our contract address, so which is KONVATI subscriber token. We're going to import this unknown source, I understand. Good. So now we're going to provide liquidity. If you go to our MetaMask, we have some BNB, right? We're going to provide 0.1 BNB liquidity and our token. So let's go back and let's see whether it's going to work, right? Just put 0.2 BNB. So we're going to click enable KST, and it's going to let us sign. So as you can see, we're creating our liquidity. We're going to hit confirm, and we're going to add liquidity. We're going to add. We're going to hit confirm. Transaction submitted on BSC scan. We're going to close. So let's view this on BSC scan. So this is the transaction we just did, and we just provided liquidity for this token. So we give them BNB and we give them this token, so anybody can go ahead and trade this token on Pancake swap. As you can see guys, it's working. We can also send this token to another BNB holder, right? So let's just try and do a transfer of this token. Okay, as you can see, my money has gone down. We're going to try and transfer this token. Just hit send. So let's get a random BNB address to send this token to. Okay, so let's copy this address and let's send this token to this address. So we're going to send this guy 0.0002 KST. This is just to check if the transfer is working. Let's hit send. We're going to hit confirm. And guys, we have sent 0.002 KST. So let's just go back to our smart contract and let's check. So let's refresh this page. So this is the transfer that we just did. As you can see, the transfer went through. You can open this in a new tab, and that's just because As you can see, the transfer went through, and just because we changed the mode to normal transfer mode, and we also provided liquidity here. So this is the transaction that we did that made us provide liquidity. It's a BIP20 token. So that's how you provide liquidity in Pancake Swap. So guys, if you want me to help you create a token or a smart contract of your choice, or if you want me to help you debug your smart contract code or audit your smart contract, just head over to konvati.com/withdraw. You're going to be redirected to me. Just let me know how I can help you. Or if you have any issues with your token or your crypto or your smart contract, right? Just head over to konvati.com/withdraw. Just let me know how I can help you. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Fearless.